Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well today. So as you can see, it's another clean and decorate with me for Christmas, and I'm a little bit sad because this is my final decorating for Christmas of 2023, but I do just love how everything turned out. So if you're here for some extra home decor inspiration or cleaning motivation, definitely stick around until the end. Also go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any future uploads from me. Leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight on into it. So I just needed to do a quick pickup in the bedroom, nothing extreme, just make the bed and everything. So here we are now in the dreaded dressing room, as it's known, because I can never keep it tidy. So I'm just going to whiz around, put everything back where it belongs, straighten it up, and then also put up the new Christmas tree. I'm very excited about that. I've wanted a pencil tree for this room for the longest time. I say the longest time, probably just like last year, but I have wanted a pencil tree for a very long time, and I finally got one, and it's just perfect for the space in here. So we'll be putting that up in just a second.
Keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way.
So we picked this tree up from Home Bargains. We actually got our main tree from Home Bargains last year as well. They have so many good options, and yeah, I really like this one. They did do a pre-lit one, but those were all sold out. But I don't really need lights on it. I think it looks pretty as is. So I'm just going to go ahead and fluff all the branches out, and then we can come back and decorate it a little bit later on.
In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
So once I did a quick pickup in the front room, I wanted to go in and do the carpet with this Oxy Power stain remover. I think it's actually for clothes, but it works really well on carpet. So I'm just going to do a quick spot clean because there was just a few areas that needed a little bit of TLC, but I didn't want to have to get like the big carpet cleaner out. So I'm going to do that in the living room and then also in the hallway, and then we can move on to the kitchen.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere in sight. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need. And my love.
Now the kitchen's all done, it was time for my favourite thing, which is decorating. So I'm going to start off doing the tree, and I wasn't really sure what direction this was going to go in or what colour theme, but I already had some pink decorations from a couple of years ago, so I thought I would just pop those on, and I really like what that looks like.
Hey, Santa, sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all.
I actually wasn't going to be using pink in this room or like anywhere this year, and then when I pulled that out to do the tree, I really like what it looks like, so I went into the garage and I dug out my pink Christmas box. So this is why I never throw anything away, because I never know what theme I'm going to do, but I think in this room I'm going to go pink as the tree is already pink. So I'm just going to sort of dig through and see what we've got. I don't know if to put some, I might put some feather boas on the tree. I might just go all out, and I'm thinking I might actually swap out that star for this bow and make it a little bit more dramatic. I don't know, honestly, I am totally winging this. Not sure what direction it's going to go, but I know I'm going to be using pink, and then I've moved everything to this side just so we can sort of do the shelves, do this side first, and then whatever's left can go over here, because I feel like because the tree's this side, not too much needs to be done this side, if that makes sense. So I'm going to be focusing on this side of the room at first. Excuse me, that's not yours, is it? That's not yours. For my small but expensive present. I just love these stockings. I've had them since I was, I want to say a teenager, you know. I've had them so long. But yeah, let's just carry on decorating and see where we go.
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright.
So I do really like what the pink looks like in this room, but I think next year I'm going to be totally switching it up. I want this room to be more like earthy, so hunter green, browns and that sort of tone. But downstairs I'm also planning on changing, because I've had the neutral like winter wonderland for years now, and yeah, I really want something different. So I'm thinking of doing the red candy cane and gingerbread man downstairs next year, so it'll be completely different, and I'm really excited. But I do like the pink. I'm just ready for a bit of a change.
Keeping you warm and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing Nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining right.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
So that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up because it really does help my channel when you do that. And also subscribe using the red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I'll see you guys back here in my next one.
So I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.